Toca kitchen too. I've heard good things about food. We've got loads of food combinations, loads of reactions from the people. Let's have a go at this game, guys. Let's turn this down a little bit low. Okay, let's go with this person. Looks normal. Get on my gaming chair. There we go. Alright. Okay, what do we have here? Do you like Conyo? Do you like Conyo? Okay. See what we've got in here. Ooh, knifey. I have to move this onto the chopping board. I'm gonna make him some onion soup. I know we need to make him onion soup, not big onion chunks. No. Let's make him some onion chunks. Oh, we're not making onion chunks, but okay. What do we have? Where is it? Where did they put it? Dude, this is. There we go. That is more like it. Do you like rice? No. He likes rice. Okay. Let's put some salt in this, actually. Let's get some... Actually, no. Let's get rice and onion. The rice. What we got in here? Blender. No, that's not. No. No. Okay, there we go. See what foods we have in store. Okay, guys. Let's make him... Do you like this? Good. Okay, eat it. Eat it. Eat it. He's too stupid to eat his food. Let's have a go at shrimpy. Wow. Ooh, let's do shrimp and strawberry juice. We need shrimp. Let's throw up some onions. Add some water. Here we have some oil. To wash it off with some amazing traditional Swedish juice. Okay, drink your Swedish juice. Why can't I throw? Okay, let's. You know what, dude? I'm sad for you. Let's cook you some steak. Let's get you some bread. Let's give you a sandwich, mate. Okay, let's give you some steak. No, oh, fine. Let's have toasted steak bread. Right, there we have this. Do you not like tomato ketchup? Well, there you go. That was my other self. Okay. Let's get this in. Let's get this nice and fried. Let's get this nice and fried. Put some salt on it. Here's your welcome. No, not yet, not yet, not yet. There it is. Okay. Now we need the bread. There we go. Whoa! Oh. Well, just this will be like a sandwich. Eat it. Oh, good manners. Okay, guys, let's go with some spaghetti. Let's put this in here. Normal spaghetti thing. Let's cook this up. Let's... No, we need potato. This game is so good. Yeah, this game's so good. Okay, dude. Let's give you some... We need you some spaghetti. Where's the potatoes at? Here's a potato, who cares? Okay, let's cut the potato up. To little chippies. There we have them potatoes. Then we deep fry them. Deep fried potatoes. There's our deep fried potatoes. You like your deep fried potatoes. Now, if you like watermelon, you're gonna like this. Duh, duh, duh. No, oh yeah, there we go, we have our juice. Then we need the finishing Toca. Oh. Put some juice in there. Go, dude. Oh, well. Well, that was some good juice I used there. I used some apricot. I used some orange, you idiot. I used some watermelon. And last but not least, some strawberries. At least be grateful. Not spitting it in me face, mate. Okay. Since that guy is terribly rude, let's go for this monster and see if he's ruder than him. Okay, monster, see what you got here. So, oh, you're gonna eat your carrots, mate. Yeah, there you go, there you go. Oh. No, by the way, this isn't my finger. See? My finger. Let's give you some... Let's give you a meat fest. You're having a protein shake, though, mate. Haha. Protein shake. Protein shake. Good boy. Let's cut you some steak. There we go. Here you are, some steak. Then I'll cut it into even slices. No. There's that, and then guess what you are? Some yum yum. Okay, but we're making juice out of that, aren't we? Yes, we are. No. Oh, green juicy. There we go. Ooh, you like it? You like it? What's the most unlike thing you like? Do you like onions? You hate onions? Okay. Eat them. What, don't eat the onion? We'll eat this instead. Keep feeding. 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 Keep. Oh, let's give him the worst one of his life. Let's give him some onion. Let's give some broccoli, some potatoes. Okay. Gonna give him the worst movie of all. Bang. Bang. This is worse. No water. Eat it. You're gonna drink more of it, mate. Chug it down. Okay. So guys, that was Toca Boca. We had a great time, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.